Is an arts degree useless or did we just forget how to use it? Every time someone asks what's the point of literature or how will history or philosophy pay the bills, well, it's a valid question. Of course, nobody asks an engineer why they are studying engineering, but an arts degree almost always has to justify its existence. We've come to settle that the purpose of education is employment, but that wasn't always the case. The idea of the humanities comes from ancient Greece and Rome. The Romans called it humanitas, and its purpose was to create responsible citizens and leaders. Students studied rhetoric, ethics, history, poetry, and even philosophy because societies believed citizens needed more than just technical skills. They needed judgment, the ability to argue, and even to understand other people and to think about right and wrong. But then, as economies industrialized, the idea of education became increasingly tied to the labor market. Somewhere along the way, we started measuring every subject by a single standard. Will this help me become an employee? And once that became the dominant measure, the humanities began looking like a pointless luxury rather than a necessity. Technical education answers the question, can we do this? But the humanities equips you with the ability to answer, should we do this? And it's an important question right now. The failure is less about individual choices and more about a system that increasingly treats human beings as economic units rather than citizens, thinkers, and members of a culture. A world with science is efficient, yes, but humanities lets you sit with the questions that are at the core of your existence. What does it mean to be me? What is the meaning and purpose of my life? Why is my suffering so painful? What exactly is love, and has anybody been through the same feeling that I am feeling right now? And for thousands of years, arts have been the only place where that sitting feels bearable. A song that moves you to tears, a novel that names something you couldn't, a building so old it makes you feel small in the best possible way. It is the thing that has kept us human. I hope this reminded you of a certain quote from Dead Poets Society.